Hey guys, at home, you are here with my first core class. Wait, that you can't see them yet. There they are. Hey, first core class. So it's this is the multiplying and dividing decimals study guide. I'm recording this because there's a lot of you that have Stride and AIG, or you won't be here today, and so I want to make sure that you have this for your test next week. All right, we are going to do 6 questions. We're going to do, there are 4 pages of this study guide. Let me zoom out so you can see this. We have 6 questions. At the end of 6 questions, we're going to pause and dance. Then we're going to do the second page and we're going to pause and dance. We're going to do the third page. We're going to pause and we're going to dance it out. And the fourth page, and we're going to pause and dance it out. I'm going to have to record this video in 2 sections because today we also have awards day. And so I'm going to have a video that is shot before awards and a video that's shot after awards. And the reason why I have to do that is because both awards day and this study guide require me to use the Zoom application. And I can't have 2 Zoom windows running at once. Make sense? All right, here we go. A rental company charges $25.50 an hour to use their party decorations. So that's per hour. Megan has a party that lasts for 4 hours. How much money did she pay? So I've got to take $25.50 and I'm going to multiply it times 4 hours. Here we go. This is a pretty simple problem. It's not going to be hard at all. I have out my highlighter because I know with decimals, I always need my highlighter out. All right, Levante, what's 4 times 0? Levante, what's 4 times 5? Leave the 0, carry the 2. Levante, what's 4 times 5? 20. Plus 2 more? Leave the 2, carry the 2. Levante, what's 4 times 2? Plus 2 more? All right. Now, Emily, in this problem, how many numbers are behind the decimal? Put the same, there are 2, so put the same amount in your answer. So she spends $102 on party decorations. She got a lot of money. My goodness. All right. Any questions on that one? Right now, if you can do that problem, you have like a 5 on your test. That's pretty good. All right. Next one. Miss Kirkland is making beaded necklaces. She sells them for $14. She made 34 of them. So underline 34. That's how many she made. She sells them for $14.75. So how much will she make if she sells them all? What do you think, Evan Adeus? Is this multiplication or division? It is definitely multiplication because you're looking for the in all number. So I want you to put the longer number on top. You've got 14.75 on the top, and underneath you're going to put 34. Remember, when you're multiplying, you don't have to line up by the decimals. That's just addition and subtraction. So I'm going to put a turtle around this because it makes me happy to do so. Here we go. Liam, you're up. What's 4 times 5? Leave the 0, carry the 2. Liam, what's 4 times 7? 28 plus 2 more. Very good. Leave the 0, carry the 3. Liam, what's 4 times 4? 16 plus 3 more. 19. Carry the 1. Liam, 4 times 1 plus 1 more. Very good. Now, we've gotten that far. Malachi, tell me the next steps because now I got to multiply by the 3. But before I can do that, tell me what to do. Kill the babies. Collar the turtle. And now what? He says drop an egg. Very good, Malachi. All right. You are up, Aaliyah. Aaliyah, what is 3 times 5? 15. Leave the 5. Carry the 1 up above the tens place. Aaliyah, what's 3 times 7? plus one more, 22. Leave the 2, carry the 2 up above the hundreds place. Aaliyah, what's 3 times 4? Plus 2 more, 14. Leave the 4, carry the 1. Aaliyah, what's 3 times 1? Plus 1 more. Good. Now we're ready to add. I've got 0, 5, 11, 10, and 5. All right, Aaliyah, in my problem, how many numbers were behind a decimal? Good. 1, 2. 1, 2. So put 2 numbers behind the decimal here and put my decimal. So Miss Kirkland made $501.50. Not so bad. Not so bad. All right, I'm sliding up. Y'all like all this space I left on here? It took more paper to copy it, but I think it's easier to do the work. All right. 26 students are attending a field trip to the art museum. Each ticket costs $7.95. So I've got 26 and each ticket costs $7.95. I need to know how much it costs for all of them to go. So I'm looking for a big number, right? This is going to be a huge number. All right, so put your, you got to multiply. So put $7.95 on top, and you're going to multiply it by 26 to get this big number. I'm a turtle head this thing. Bling, 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 bling. All right, you're up. Tinley, what is 6 times 5? Good, 30. Leave the 0, carry the 3. Tinley, 6 times 9. 54 plus 3 more, 57. Leave the 7, carry the 5. Tinley, 7 times 6. Plus 5 more, 47. Now I'm going to kill the babies, collar the turtle, and bloop, drop an egg. Now Tinley, 2 times 5. Leave the 0, carry the 1. Tinley, 2 times 9, plus 1 more. Leave the 9, carry the 1. Tinley, 2 times 7, plus 1 more. Very good. And we add. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 0 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 plus 5 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. Tinley, how many numbers were behind the decimal in my 2 factors? 2, the 9 and the 5. So I'm going to make sure there are 2 numbers down here. My answer is $206.70 is how much it's going to cost for everybody to go on the field trip. That is a lot of money. More money than Miss Ross has. I got $1. All right, here we go. We're coming up here to number 4. The Letchworths want to visit the aquarium. Okay, and it's got the prices of admission. Admission is like how much it costs to get in. So if you are an adult, and they're counting an adult as 12 and up, okay? If you are an adult ticket, you're $14.50. If you are a child ticket from ages 5 to 11, you're $9.25. And if you're age 4 and under, you're free. Woohoo! Free. I like free. I tell you, this is a real thing. My children have stopped eating off. 2 of my children don't eat off the kids' meal anymore. You guys, killing me. So like a cheeseburger went from costing $5 to now they have like a $15 cheeseburger. And you know what drives you crazy about it? Looks exactly the same. Same cheeseburger, only it is a scam. That's right. I can't lie because then I'm teaching my kids that it's okay to lie to get what you want. That's not cool. Y'all don't tell me about lying. No. All right, here we go. So she wants to bring 2 adults. Underline this. She wants to bring 2 adults, 1 child over 5, and 2 children under 4. So let's make an equation first. So first, let's do parentheses. She wants to do 2 adults. So 2 adults is 2 times adult price is $14.50. Okay. To that, you need to add the child over 5. So you've got 1 ticket for a child over 5. So do I need to multiply it by 1 or can I just put $9.25? Let's just put $9.25 because you got that 1 ticket. And then she wants 2 kids under 4. So we've got to do 2 times, oh, it's free, 0. Nice. Cross that out. We don't have to worry about that. 2 times 0 is just 0, right? All right. So we've got to figure out the price of the 2 adult tickets and add it to $9.25. Do y'all agree with that? All right, let's do the 2 adult tickets. Do y'all want to add them or multiply them? Let's just add them. I mean, there's only 2 of them. Let's do $14.50 plus $14.50. Add them together. Levante, 0 plus 0. Very good. Sid, 5 plus 5. Leave the 0, carry the 1. Janie, 1 plus 4 plus 4. And 1 plus 1 is 2. All right, so it's $29 for the adults. Now let's add on the price of the kid ticket. Add $9.25 to that. Cool. Then you've got 5, 2, 18, and 3. It's gonna cost. That's it. We don't have to get complicated. Sometimes math doesn't have to be hard. It's $38.25 to take her family. Because she's lucky. She's got kids that are little and they don't cost a whole lot of money. And this actually is the way Miss Letchworth's family looks. There's 2 adults. She has Langley, who's over 5, and the rest of her children are 4 and under. Pretty cool. All right, next one. Last one. This is the last one before we have to turn on the award ceremony. All right. Jennifer earns $47.80 each week by working part-time at a local bookstore. She earns the same amount for 6 weeks. So what is the total? If you are looking for a total, it is going to get big. So we've got $47.80 multiplied over 6 weeks. So here we go. You're up. Hadassah, 6 times 0. 6 times 8. Help her out. 48. Leave the 8. Carry the 4. Hadassah, 6 times 7. 42. 42 plus 4 more. Very good. Leave the 6. Carry the 4. Hadassah, 6 times 4 plus 4 more. There you go. Hadassah, how many numbers are behind the decimal in my problem? Put 2 behind the decimal in my answer. So it is going to be $286.80. And I am going to stop the recording.